today's video, guys, is going to be a real-time, new time for the first time. I have never used this company's hair before. It's still in the box. We haven't even opened it yet. This look hopefully is going to be super easy and beautiful. Okay, so let's see how this goes. If you have used hair from this company before, comment below. Okay. Comes with the band. Okay, that means the band's not already attached. So you guys remember the other day I did like a long bang look? Your girl was like, ooh, bangs, I got hype, and now I want to do a short bang look. I'm nervous now. Wait. Oh, okay. I thought this was gonna be a short bang look, but it's just a short bob. This changes everything. Now I'm gonna have to cut bangs. Cause the point of this was to wear a bang. See this? It's pre-plucked, as you can see, so it's looking pretty good. Hairline's not too bad without any effort, which is good to know if you guys are ever gonna order from them. Let me cut this excess lace off. Now we doing a bang tutorial. Just make sure it's even, your flaps, you know, these little guys here are just placed in the right situation. So I'm gonna create a little triangle from the center point of my head. And this triangle right now is going kind of to the arc of my brows. So we're gonna start with this. Not sure what I want to do, how thick I want these to be yet. So we're gonna start small and then we can always build from there. I'm gonna get some water on here. Oh, my makeup, okay. Just kind of converging the hair together. We getting mysterious around here. So mysterious. When you pull the hair in like this and kind of join it, it makes it a little bit longer on the outside. So it kind of gives a little framing around your eyes. Okay. I like the fact that the back is a little bit shorter than the front. We're gonna bring it all the way. We're gonna take off that little piece that's making it slightly longer in the front as well. And this hair is gonna basically be my guide. I'm gonna take this, follow from that hair that's already cut, just next side. Ooh, ooh. Let me get some foam. I'm gonna help flatten out the top up here. Love me some Lotta Body, y'all. Love me some Lotta Body. Before we trim up the bangs anymore, I just want to make sure everything is kind of nice and flat so that I'm working with a good base here. Take a little section here. I love how that really looks like scalp though, you know what I mean? Okay, let's just see. I'm gonna do one piece and see if like we're gonna go for this whole wave thing. I don't know, I feel like someone else. I mean, not that every style doesn't make me feel like someone else, but when you're like, whoa, I don't know if that's Keeb, or if it's Deborah, you know, like someone else. I don't know. I think she's straight. Yeah, she is. Oh, okay, I see her. Yeah, she's straight. Got it. She's cute still. She's cute. I mean, you know what I'm curious to see? What I might do next time I wear this wig is I might do it in its natural, like, air dried state and only touch up the bangs and kind of diffuse it a bit and see, because I feel like this is gonna have a really nice natural wave happening. Ooh, ooh. Let it cool. You know who this is for, y'all? This is perfect for all my corporate baes. All my tribe members who work in the office, who are killing the corporate world, y'all. Because guess what? Y'all ain't got time in the morning, okay? You don't want to mess with a frontal or any of that. You just want to get up and go, essentially have a hat that you're putting on. That when you walk up in the room, they're taking you real serious. They don't have to know. They don't have to know that it's a hat. You know what I mean? Let me put on something a little cuter to go with this so y'all can envision this. I think I need a red lip with this. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, how you doing, honey? I just got this little yellow blazer over my shoulders and this red lip. It just felt like it needed a red lip. You guys tell me what you think, you know what I mean? The blazer life, office life, conservative, but also very professional bae. I feel like it is. I definitely feel like it is. Oh. I don't know, guys. All I know is I feel like I'm important right now. Comment below, let me know. You think this is corporate bae life, or do you think yellow blazer, blue and white? Okay, I just had to close the door because I felt like all white was kind of a vibe right now, you know, honey? If you can't show up on time, then don't show up at all. You know what I mean? Honestly, I've got places to go, I've got things to do, and if you're gonna with me, then I ain't with you. You know what I mean? Straight up. Don't mess with me if you ain't gonna respect my time. Because I got places to go, people to see, deals to close, okay? Deals to close. Okay, I'm done. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications so that y'all know when I upload a video. Okay? I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!